ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮದೇ ಆಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ವಿತ್ ಪರಶುರಾಮ್ ಹಾಗೂ SP ಕ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಡಿಯೋ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ದವ್ರಿಗಾಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದರ ಮೇನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ರೇಡಿಯೋ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದು ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ಇವುಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇವುಗಳಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ಗೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ 50 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಸಹಿತ ನೋಡಿ. ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಲೈಕ್, ಶೇರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮರೆಯದಿರಿ. ಸೊ ನೋಡುವ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾರಂತ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂತು, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಕಾಸಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಕವರಿ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಸೀ ರೂಟ್ ಟು ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. Explain how Martanda Varma chucked the Dutch. What are the causes and result of Plassey battle? What are the causes and result of Buxar battle? Next is, what is the dual government who implemented? 6th, communalism harmful to national progress, how? What are the measures taken by government to spread literacy? What are the suggestions to improve the position of women? Population is deemed as human resources. Explain. Idu applied questions very important ada. What are the advantages of Himalayan range? What are the differences between Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats? What are the difference between Western coastal plain and Eastern coastal plain? What are the advantages of Northern plain? The peninsular plateau has a great economic significance. Explain. The number of saving bank account holders is increasing. Give reasons. What are the services provided by the banks? What are the functions of banks? What are the difference between savings bank account and current account? Indian agriculture is gambling with monsoon. Discuss. What are the different names of rainfalls that occur during April and May in India? Explain the winter season. Explain retreating monsoon season. Why do we call eastern side of Western Ghats as rain shadow region? What were conditions under subsidiary alliances? Who implemented it? Describe the Third Anglo-Maratha War. How did the doctrine of lapse support to expansion of British Empire in India? What are the reasons of First Anglo-Maratha War? What are the legal measures undertaken to eradicate untouchability? What is the meaning of prejudice? What are the advantages of social stratification? Untouchable is stigma of Hindu religion. Why? What are the conditions of subsidiary alliances? Who brought it? Next, what is the doctrine of lapse? Who brought it? Next question. Why did Lord Wellesley resign from his post and return to England after Second Anglo-Maratha War? Or what was the outcomes or effects of Third Anglo-Maratha War? Explain the Anglo-Sikh Wars. Mention the differences between Mahalwari and Raitwari land tax system. Explain the impact of British education in India. In permanent zamindar system, the Indian farmers were born in debt, lived in debt, and died in debt. How? Explain judicial system and civil system of British in India. Explain impact of British land tax system. What are the achievements of Chikkadevaraja Vadiyaraj? What are the causes of Third Anglo-Mysore War and what was the effects? Or explain the condition of Srirangapattanam Treaty. The Fourth Anglo-Mysore was strengthened the position of the British in Mysuru. Discuss. Explain the achievements of 4th Krishnaraja Vadiyara. Explain the method adopted by Rayanna to fight the British. Explain the contributions of Puttabasappa of Kodagu in freedom struggle. Discuss the rebellion of Bedas of Halagali. In Indian history, 19th century is referred to as the period of Indian Renaissance. Why? Swami Vivekananda was a great inspiration to the youth. How? Explain the aims of Brahma Samaja and Arya Samaja. Explain the aims of Satyashodhaka Samaja and Theosophical Society. What were the tensions there between India and Pakistan? How can you say that were problems with Pakistan and India had to good relations? Explain relationship between Russia and India. The relationship spoiled recently between India and China. Why? Explain relationship between America and India as a democratic nation. Division of labor leads to specialization. How? What differences there between organized labor and unorganized labor? What difference there between paid work and unpaid work? What is the unemployment? What are the effects and unemployment? What remedies to tackle the problem of unemployment? Indian agricultural gambling with the monsoon winds discuss, or how to climatic conditions of country has a great influence in its economy. Explain winter season. Explain retreating monsoon. What are the differences there between alluvial soil and black soil? What is the soil erosion? What are the effects of soil erosion? What is the convergence of soil? How to conserve it? Why did deciduous forests are called deciduous monsoon forest? Explain mangrove forest. Explain alphalai forest of Himalaya. What are the causes of decreasing forest area in India? Mention the measures of the conservation of forest. What is the biosphere resource? Mention any two. What is the irrigation? List out the types of irrigation system. What are the differences there in flood canals and perennial canals? What is the multi-purpose river valley project? What are its objects? Rainwater harvesting is compulsory today. Why? Why did Sir M. Vishwesvaraya regards as father of economic planning in India? What are the objects of 5-year plan? List out achievements of 5-year plans. What is green revolution? What are the factors led to green revolution? What are the objectives and activities of Niti Ayoga? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೇಡಿಯೋ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ. ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮರಿಬಾರ್ದು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಿನ್ನೆಯಿಂದ ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಸರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ರೇಡಿಯೋ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ನ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ವರ್ಜನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೀಪ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.